And now it's time to prep them. Prep them.
There you go again. Stop.
Prep them.
That is way too much. Damn, this nigga.
Now you got to eat 2 wings to win the $50.
Who's gonna win the money?
How many?
He get up. He in there.
Yeah, I hear him.
Make sure you monitor the people with the wings.
Okay.
You got black.
Episodes of his J's though. Look at this nigga J's and stuff.
My nigga ran out to songs of his shoe. Whoa!
My nigga ran out the J's.
Go get the footage of him. Stay.
Cadillac. What's up?
Give me some water.
You need some water? Yeah, he can cool it off. Here. Get up in there.
Hey, give me water. Give me water.
What you doing, nigga?
Water.
You got another wing, man.
Water.
Water's outside, my nigga.
No, I can't go. Give me some water.
Y'all blind face.
Oh.
Yeah, shout out blind face for the people, man.
How's it going in? How's it going in?
He needs some privacy. My nigga needs some privacy, nigga. Ain't no privacy in this motherfucker, nigga. Ain't no privacy in here, nigga. Nigga, you still got another wing outside. There's still a whole other wing outside. Or what about the shoe, man? You lost your soul of your Jordans. Nigga, he had the fake Jordans on. He lost his soul, man. That's what happened when you buy them fake. Look at this show. Nigga, look at them J's. Nigga, look. The jump, man. Nigga lost his soul to his shoe, man.
Get the Gorilla Glue and put
Get
his
the
shoe.
glue.
He done color flat
Put
this
the-
motherfucker.
Oh, my goodness. What happened?
I got
What
that
happened?
That nigga, oh,
I'm trying to
yeah,
tell you.
shit's so hot. My nigga hopped up.
The shoe. Look
Came
at the
out
Jordans,
the
nigga. Are these the
Caught
classic?
a flat.
Color flat. He said color flat. Man, this what happens when you buying them off the corner, man. Thought he had some limited editions.
Got them off of
Limited
Minnesota Adams
edition.
right there by the
Man,
barbecue
what
spot.
happened? What are those? What are those? Nigga, that's them grind face editions, nigga. What are those? Nigga, that hot sauce was so hot, he lost his shoe. He lost the soul of his shoe, man. If you see
He tried to embarrass me again. Nigga. Shit. God damn it.
Nothing about your
Hey. Exclusive Studios. We're going to turn nothing down. Running off their shoes. Grind face.